Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on managing payroll periods in the Payroll module. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively set up and manage payroll periods to streamline your payroll process in Parsimony. Let's begin by navigating to the Payroll module on the Parsimony dashboard. Click on Payroll to access the tools for managing employee salaries and compensation. The Payroll module is where you handle all aspects of employee compensation, including defining payroll periods. Click on Payroll Periods to dive into the configuration of payroll periods in Parsimony. Here, you'll find a list of all defined payroll periods in your organization. To create a new payroll period, click on the New button. In the creation form, you'll need to provide details for the new payroll period. Enter the payroll period name. Specify the start and end dates for the payroll period. This defines the timeframe for which employee salaries will be calculated. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to create the new payroll period. The system will now show the newly created payroll period in the list. You can edit or modify existing payroll periods at any time by clicking on the Edit button next to the period. If you no longer need a payroll period, you can delete it by clicking on the Delete button. Excellent! You've learned how to manage payroll periods in Parsimony, ensuring accurate calculation of employee salaries. Thank you for watching this tutorial.